talking about the difference in value, and when you really start looking at it, we're not that much more expensive than a lot of other places out there. So it just depends on the way you slice it, how you cook.
Not a fucking bad Saturday. Not as busy, but we still had a lot of burgers, a lot of steaks that went out, so that's fucking good. We got our ass kicked for an hour or so. It was fun. Fucking missed it.
Toast fucking up. Fucking computers, man. They suck.
We had a problem with the POS system syncing up and closing shit out and batching stuff, so just kind of looking at the days and seeing how we did numbers wise. 6 o'clock, 4 o'clock was busy, 5 died out, 6 was good, and 7 got a little tired, but 8 we only had 1 order here though, but we took the other 8 orders there too. So we're trying to figure out hopefully we'll just be on one POS, and then we'll be able to kind of track it a little bit easier and see where we're at, but for the most part, it seems to be handling itself pretty good. We only had 1 issue or 1 problem with 1 order. That was user error. It wasn't anything that we did, so that was good. But now we're just closing up. Everybody's we're off. We're just closing up the bar. Gonna clean it up real quick. Did a funny video or an insightful video with Chick-fil-A. It just depends on the way you slice it, how you cut it. And I think we kind of just opened up the idea of being able to get people to understand what we actually do here. Other than that, it was a pretty good day. We got our Google ads that are going to start running next week. Facebook is up and running. Got all of our analytics up. For the most part, it's starting to come alive and come together. All in all, it's becoming cohesive, I think. So, but we'll see. We still have fucking almost a month of this left. So a lot can happen, a lot can change, but we'll just keep doing what we're doing and get back here tomorrow and put it all together and get some rest and go from there. But we still have a long night though, which is shitty. Now we gotta wait for this shit.